Living in Miami means enjoying beautiful weather, sunny days, and ocean breezes. But with the tropical climate also comes high humidity, heavy rain, and hurricane threats. That's why your windows play a huge role in keeping your home safe, comfortable, and energy efficient. When it's time for new windows, professional installation can make all the difference. Here's why hiring pros for your window installation in Miami is worth every penny. Proper sealing and weatherproofing. Miami's hot and humid conditions can take a toll on poorly installed windows. Gaps or bad seals let in moisture, leading to mold, mildew, and even water damage. Professional installers know exactly how to weatherproof windows so they fit snugly and seal out the elements. That means fewer drafts, less moisture intrusion, and better indoor comfort all year long. Better energy efficiency. Energy costs can skyrocket in Miami, especially when you're running the air conditioner to keep out the heat. Professionally installed windows help keep cool air inside and hot air out. Installers will make sure your new windows are aligned properly, with no gaps that would leak air. As a result, you'll enjoy better insulation, lower utility bills, and a more consistent indoor temperature. Stronger protection during storms. Living in hurricane-prone areas means your windows must stand up to strong winds and flying debris. Professional installers can help you choose impact-resistant or hurricane-rated windows and install them according to strict building codes. This expert installation helps protect your home from damage and gives you peace of mind when a storm rolls through. Longer-lasting windows. Even the highest quality windows won't last if they're installed poorly. When you hire experienced professionals, you can trust that they will install your windows correctly the first time, following the manufacturer's recommendations. This protects your warranty and helps your windows last longer, giving you the best return on your investment. Improved curb appeal. Professional installation doesn't just boost function, it also improves the look of your home. Skilled installers pay attention to detail, making sure the windows are even, trimmed, and finished properly. Whether you live in a modern high-rise condo or a classic Miami bungalow, the windows will look clean and professionally done, adding to your home's curb appeal. Increased home value. New, professionally installed windows are a smart way to raise your home's value. Prospective buyers see well-installed, energy-efficient, and hurricane-rated windows as a huge plus, especially in the Miami area. By investing in professional installation, you can add significant value to your home and make it more attractive if you ever decide to sell. Saves you time and hassle. Replacing or installing windows is not a simple weekend project. It takes the right tools, skills, and know how to do it safely and correctly. Professional installers handle everything from measuring to cleanup, saving you a lot of time and frustration. Plus, you won't have to worry about making costly mistakes that could lead to water damage or air leaks later on. Final thought. If you live in Miami, professional window installation is more than just a good idea, it's a smart investment. From better weather protection to improved energy savings, the benefits are too important to ignore. By trusting skilled pros to handle your installation, you can enjoy beautiful, durable, and secure windows that keep your home safe and comfortable for years to come.